Hello, folks. It is time for an update to the SPY and its direction. We have the market health indicator on the bottom of the chart. And since my last video, we can see that the red line, which is bearish, has crossed above the zero line, the blue zero line here. The green line, on the other hand, is showing significant weakness. So what does that mean for the price of the SPY? The most likely direction is more downside. That's more downside. So if you are long, it is time to take caution. It may be even time to hedge your positions because we are most likely going to see more downside. And really, I hate to give that news, but the charts don't lie, and neither do I. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you subscribed already, I appreciate it. If you have not, what are you waiting on? You won't get this kind of information anywhere else. This is my custom indicator, the market health, one of many that I use. And right now, we do not look good in the SPY. Peace and profits to you all.